Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. As you can see, drift car is on the hoist. We're going to be empty under here. Why's that? Well, just had round 3. Didn't go too well. Lot kit. I did get a lot kit actually. I was going to make a video of installing it, but I was at the point I just wanted to get it done. But look at this, no diff, no gearbox. What happened? Well, clutch slipped, finally, let go. Like I was slipping on the dyno, we know that, and I had some test days and it was alright. Look at this bad boy. There is nothing left of that at all. But yeah, so I've ordered a direct clutch services clutch for it. I was going to T56 convert it before round 4, which is in a month's time, which means I have roughly like 12 days of being home to get it sorted. But unfortunately, because it's a custom flywheel, there's a 4-week lead time on that. Round 4 isn't about that time, it's cutting it too close. Plus I don't know if the tail shaft would fit. So and I have to wait for that custom one. Also thought my diff was blown. There's a lot of clunking going on back there. I did slap that diff together, reused the crush washer, everything. I just got the 411 diff gears, a mini spool for M80 open, bolted it all together, made it so it was a little bit of lash. The wear marks on it look perfect though. Let's go have a look at it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. The wear marks on that look mint. The whole way around, no broken teeth. Pinion's all good as well. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to put that back in. But also, the only time I did have any acceleration or any load where the clutch wasn't slipping, obviously, the rear end would literally shake. The whole rear end would bounce violently. Also jacked the car up and put it in gear, and you could see the whole diff moving. Everything was bolted on the diff good, but I think turns out my subframe bushes are gone. They are nulophones. I think they screwed up. The rear diff mount here looks to be fine, but I have EcoJet's old nullophone one. I just picked up from Repco new nullophone subframe bushes and the small top piece one, so I'm gonna whack them in. I thought might as well film it for you guys. Yeah, my Getrag's going in again. I do have a spare. I thought about changing it because I have this hole here in it, but this one hasn't blown yet. I don't want to put the other box in and that one blows straight away, and I'll be kicking myself for not putting the same one back in. But anyway, I might mount you guys under here somewhere, and then I'm going to get on to changing these. I've never changed them before, so you guys are going to have to watch the process with me as I learn and do things wrong, but let's get into it anyway. Alright, sorry about that, got a phone call. This side's out. They look fine. It was still sloppy, but hopefully the new ones will tighten it up. Otherwise, yeah, I got an issue I'm gonna have to find. Right, I'm gonna open the new ones, whack them in, and try and get this back into its location somehow. Alright, freshies. So that one goes there. That one. That one's in. That one's in. I'm assuming that sits like that. So I got the extra pad. Hopefully that works. Alright, that was a complete nightmare. This one here, the bolt was stripped. Luckily, there's another car there. Took the bolt out of that, it wasn't stripped, got it in, stripped one went in there. So now we have mellophone bushes in. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. Might be able to just see there. That little ridge there is that extra spacer. So that's in nice and pretty tight now. There's a bit of flex obviously because the rear isn't mounted, so once I get the diff in, back in, that'll have that. That should be all good, which will be bloody exciting. Got a clutch coming. Can't remember if I said that or not, from Direct Clutch Services. That's due to be posted tomorrow. Hopefully arrives by the end of the week. I can get it in, and this car will be a roller again. Also need to get some new coils. Got to suss out the misfire, which while there's no car under here, I might get my laptop and do that. But for this part of the video, that's that sorted. This is going to be short, so I might film the diff going back in, and maybe even when the clutch comes, might make it all into one. Depends on the clutch arrives. So I'll try to get a video out for you guys for the weekend coming whenever I'm filming this, although I think there might be a dyno video before, yeah, with what I'm filming now, so we'll see. But anyway, that's going to be me filming done for now, and we'll see how we go with the rest of it. Alright, I gotta end this video. It's probably 2 weeks later. Clutch is all in, it works. Bit of a knocking sound somewhere, driveline, not engine. So I will jack it back up before the drift event. I'm packed up because I go to work. Yeah, everything's back in here, Ford's out the back. EcoJet's in the shed, Misso's car's in the shed. Customer motor over there. Yeah, let's not talk about that thing. But yeah, so the clutch is in, it drives, it works good. Looks like I'm still doing doubles, hence all the tyre marks here from the inside tyre. That's where I'm going to end this one. We'll see if I film anything at round 4. I've kind of just wanted to focus on just driving and enjoying the day rather than worrying about setting up GoPros. That's why I haven't done really anything from these rounds. Plus I'm just learning the car and combo, so next season I'll probably film everything, but there she sits with its nice angle kit on. Yeah, maybe for next season, maybe I might do some wide body front guards, potentially maybe at the rear, pump them out a bit more, get a bit more stance out of it, but at least on the front, so I can tuck those wheels, have them under a bit better so it stops hitting the guards. I can cut them way up and out. As per usual, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys whenever I film another video. That could be next week, that could be a month, that could be 6 months, who knows? But subscribe and you'll find out.